In a momentous celebration of their 8th anniversary since the launch of their first water purifier, Xiaomi has unveiled the Mijia Home desktop water purifier hot and cold version. Building upon their previous success and technological advancements, the company aims to provide a cutting-edge and convenient solution to meet the diverse water needs of consumers. The Mijia Home desktop water purifier hot and cold edition comes as an upgraded version of its predecessor, the Smart Edition, which was introduced to the market just a year ago. Xiaomi has consistently strived to enhance their products with the latest innovations and user-friendly features, and this purifier is no exception. Priced at 24.99 yuan or about $347, the Mijia Home desktop water purifier hot and cold version offers a remarkable 3-in-1 functionality, catering to the requirements of users with various preferences. Whether you need chilled water on a hot summer day, hot water for your favorite tea or coffee during winters, or just purified water for regular consumption, this purifier has you covered. A 4 liters raw water tank and a 1.8 liters wastewater tank are included in the water tank's thoughtful appearance, ensuring complete separation to prevent concentrated water intrusion. The device has a circular OLED display that shows the modes of water purification, as well as the temperature of the water. The refrigerator-like compressor on the Mijia Home desktop water purifier can lower the temperature of the water to as low as 5 degrees centigrade. With a total of 11 different cold water settings available in the automatic cooling mode, you can freely change the water's temperature between 5 and 15 degrees centigrade to suit your preferences. On the hot water front, the Mijia Home desktop water purifier hot and cold edition showcases impressive technology, featuring a thick film heating system powered by a robust 2100 watts heater. This advanced heating technology enables the purifier to produce hot water in a mere 3 seconds, significantly reducing waiting time for hot beverages or cooking needs. The swift heating process ensures that users can have hot water at their convenience, making it ideal for quick morning routines or urgent kitchen requirements. The device offers a range of convenient modes to suit various preferences. Whether one desires cold water to quench their thirst on a scorching day, boiling water for making instant noodles or tea, or requires a specific temperature for preparing baby formula, the purifier has got it covered. The inclusion of the milk preparation mode ensures that young children's nutritional needs are met with precise water temperatures. Furthermore, when the Mijia Home desktop water purifier hot and cold edition is connected to the Mijia Home app, users gain precise control over the water temperature settings. The app enables adjustments within the range of 40 degrees centigrade to 95 degrees centigrade, with 1 degree centigrade increments, allowing for an impressive 56 adjustable levels of hot water. The purifier's versatility extends even further with its support for custom water output modes, which provide users with additional flexibility. This feature empowers users to tailor their water output based on specific needs, enhancing the overall user experience, and making the device an indispensable appliance in any modern home. In terms of water purification, the Mijia Home desktop water purifier hot and cold edition boasts an advanced dual-core 6-level filtration system, developed to deliver clean and safe drinking water. The inclusion of dual UV sterilization further ensures the elimination of harmful microorganisms, promoting the overall health and well-being of users. The core of the water purification system utilizes reverse osmosis technology, which is renowned for its exceptional filtration accuracy. With a filtration precision of up to 0.001 micrometer, the purifier effectively removes impurities, heavy metals, chlorine, and even the tiniest contaminants, providing water that meets national drinking water standards. To maintain the water purifier's peak performance, Xiaomi recommends the annual replacement of the 2 filter cores. These filter cores, priced at 358 yuan or about $50 for both, ensure that the purifier continues to provide clean and healthy drinking water for the household. As part of the 8th anniversary celebration, the Mijia Home desktop water purifier hot and cold edition is currently available for pre-order at a promotional price of 20.99 yuan or about $292. This special offer makes it an attractive investment for households seeking a reliable, feature-rich water purifier that combines speed, precision, and purity in one sleek package. With its impressive heating capabilities, smart temperature controls, and advanced filtration system, the Mijia Home desktop water purifier hot and cold edition reaffirms Xiaomi's commitment to delivering innovative and high-quality home products to its loyal customers. What do you think about this device? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.